In quantum physics, there is a term entanglement. Means, when one energy source entangles with another, they interfere with each other. This interference can be highly positive and transformative and harmonious. Entanglement directly affects human beings. When you come in my breathing space, this is what happens. Your mind gets entangled with my no mind. If you have some 200 pendulum clocks put on one wall, the wall can be any length. It does not need to be within certain length. Put hundreds of pendulum clocks and start them all at different times. See, within next few minutes, all the pendulums will swing in synchronicity. Exactly this is what happens. When you come in the breathing space of the healer, how I heal through healers? Because all my healers are pendulum clocks. Any other broken little altered pendulum clock, I add it in one wall. Both clocks start swinging synchronicity. Understand? That's all. Each one of my healer is my pendulum clock. If you are little broken, disturbed pendulum clock, if both are hung in one breathing space, your pendulum also starts vibrating, moving the same tune. And a living practicing healer, please understand, living practicing healer is continuously in entanglement with me. He may be wherever he is. A living practicing healer is continuously in entangled with me. This is what I call physiology of feeling connection. A practicing healer, the healer who lives whatever I am teaching, as long as he retains the feeling connection, the very physiology becomes different. Is the thoughts of a healer going to affect us? I say yes. That is why I am telling you, go to a person only who is thoughtless and beyond mind. Do not receive healing from ordinary Reiki healers, this healers, that healers. No. Receive only from enlightened being. And all my healers, during the moment of healing, because they are entangled with me, they represent me, and it is equivalent to you receiving healing directly from me. You don't need to worry at all, doubt at all about my healers. Understand? This is the physiology of feeling connection. When you have a feeling connection, your very physiology is different. And feeling connection has its own physiology. If somebody is swimming in the ocean, you stand and watch. Whatever brain activity is happening in that person's brain, even if you are watching, the same activities are mirrored in your brain. Meaning the same kind of electric and neurotic impulses are activated in your brain. Now you know Why just by gazing into my eyes, you are in the space of completion? I am swimming in the ocean of consciousness in the space of completion.
Anandagandha Chakra, source of superconscious healing. The science maintained not even in the hands of enlightened beings, in the hands of only incarnations. That's a source of superconscious healing. Understand? You have 7 major energy centers. About these 7 major energy centers, almost all religions talk. The 8th energy center, where all these 7 merge, become one with, is what is Anandagandha. That is why I say, it is not even a separate chakra, it is a space, source of superconscious energy, where the matter comes in direct contact with consciousness, where the consciousness is directly touching the matter. It is the highest happening which can happen to matter, not just physical healing or mental healing, radiating pure consciousness. Understand? The very DNA structure can be changed if your consciousness infiltrates the matter. Anandagandha Chakra is the door where consciousness can infiltrate matter, where it can fill you. The higher you move in your chakras, the more subtle you become. The subtlest possible chakra is Anandagandha Chakra, where you are no more ordinary human and just disappeared into the extraordinary superconsciousness.
I was very sick, my liver failed. Doctors left the hope. Then Swamiji cured me.
He healed me completely from the stage 3 cervical cancer, removing the root cause of the cancer.
He was able to heal my eyes and I was able to walk down the stage, regaining my vision on that very same moment.
By your very touch at that particular spot, the pain totally disappeared.
23 plus years of my diabetes completely gone. No medicines, nothing.
Thank you for that, Swamiji. You made it possible for her to be able to walk again.
I saw for the very first time in 10 years colors and vision through my right eye.
Immediately he said, I am there, don't worry. Before this 21 days, I will see that you will walk. And today you can see the miracle happening.
वाक्श्रोत्रनेत्राङ्घ्रिविहीनजन्तोः वाक्श्रोत्रनेत्राङ्घ्रिमुखप्रदाय कुष्ठादिसर्वोन्नतरोगहन्त्रे श्रीवैद्यनाथाय नमः शिवाय.
Whatever you think as your strength, like how much cash you have, how much gold you have, how much money you have in the bank, what all properties you have, your secret passwords, passcodes, your strength secrets, you will tell only to your son or your daughter to whom you are going to give your inheritance. Same way, most important powerful secrets Paramashiva has given to his son Muruga, Subramanya, in Agama called Sarvajnanottaragama. All the powerful secrets the father will tell only to his son. It is too secret. I am going to open that Agama and give all the essence of all those secrets. Secrets of Charyapada lifestyle, secrets of Kriyapada, secrets of Yogapada, and secrets of Jnanapada. I am not only going to teach you, I am going to give you exactly what Paramashiva gave it to Subramanya. Because Paramashiva himself is manifesting through this being now, giving you all exactly what was given to Subramanya. Nothing is required from your side. Just sit like innocent Subramanya, Muruga at the feet of Paramashiva. I assure you, whatever was given to Subramanya, the whole life will be given to you now. Not just words, teachings, not even just experience, life itself. I am talking to each one of you sitting in your room. I will make you all Subramanya.